Apple has just unveiled its latest addition to the product lineup, the M3 family, now featuring the iMac. From what we are seeing so far, initial impressions indicate a remarkable performance upgrade when compared to the previous M1 iMac. And what changes have been introduced to this new M3 iMac? Let's find out. As for the design, the M3 iMac retains the slim, elegant look and 7 vibrant color options from the M1 iMac. Apple knows that if something works well, there's no need to change it. So if you prefer the M1 iMac's aesthetic, you'll feel right at home with the M3. Just like the overall aesthetic, Apple did not bring any major changes to the display. You'll find the 5K Retina display with a maximum brightness of 500 nits, the same as the M1 version. However, with the power of the new M3 family, you can certainly expect more fluid visuals. First of all, the incredible performance boost from the M3 powerhouse, which is twice as fast as the M1. This boost in processing power opens up a world of possibilities for both productivity and creative tasks. The M3 chip is built on a 3-nanometer technology, offering impressive performance while being energy efficient at the same time. With this new M3 chip, they have introduced next-generation GPU architecture with dynamic caching. It also brings new rendering features to Apple Silicon, such as mesh shading and ray tracing, providing a monumental leap in graphical performance. Graphics tasks on the M3 iMac are taken to a professional level, delivering not only incredible speed, but also unrivaled quality. According to officials, the M3 chip provides 2.5 times faster rendering performance than the M1 family, a massive improvement for creative professionals and gamers. What's even more impressive is that M3 chip users only have the power level of the M1 chip to deliver the same level of multi-threaded CPU and GPU performance as M1, making the M3 both powerful and energy efficient. Additionally, both iMacs feature Apple's advanced technologies featuring a neural engine and a media engine. However, the M3 version is more advanced in machine learning and video performance. This new iMac even offers a new option for a Magic Keyboard with Touch ID, providing secure login and payment capabilities. The new iMac 3 is much smoother and more seamless when it comes to connecting with other Apple devices. You can effortlessly connect your iMac to other devices such as iPhones, MacBooks, or iPads. This integration allows you to access your contacts, make phone calls, and scan documents directly from your phone to your iMac. The synergy between Apple devices has always been a selling point, and the M3 iMac takes it a step further. For memory, the M3 iMac boasts up to 24 GB of unified memory, a significant upgrade from the M1 iMac's maximum of 16 GB. This boost in memory ensures smoother multitasking and improved overall performance. On top of that, the M3 iMac boasts Thunderbolt 3 video output and supports an external display with up to 6K resolution, which is indeed a great deal for professionals needing a high-resolution workspace. The base version of the new M3 iMac comes in at around $1,299, while the M1 version is priced at approximately $1,287. With such a minimal price difference, it's evident that the M3 iMac is worth the upgrade. The significant performance boost, improved camera, advanced technologies, and next-generation chip make the M3 an excellent choice for users who demand more from their all-in-one desktop. In the end, the M3 chip on the new iMac is truly something to look forward to. While the M1 iMac was a groundbreaking release, the M3 iMac takes the concept of an all-in-one computer to new heights with an improved performance camera and an advanced chip. Whether you're a creative professional, a power user, or simply an Apple enthusiast, the M3 iMac offers compelling reasons to upgrade. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share it with your friends if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.